Now, you can make a whopping $3,873 in a day just copying and pasting links online. As you can see here, there is great opportunity for you to make money on this website. Now, these are the type of money you will be earning on this website. You will be earning all these: $18.74, $31.54, $34.44, $39.36, $42.37, and many more. This is such a great opportunity that you should not let it pass you by, but you got to take advantage of it and make money online today. You will earn enough money to buy all the fancy things you want in life easily. You don't need to touch your savings or take money out from your job to finance luxury in life. Just make this passive income free today and use it to enjoy that vacation you have been dreaming about for years. Now, before I show you what you will do to earn this lump sum of money every day, I will like you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. You can as well give a thumbs up if you find this video of value to you. Okay, let's get back to making money. The first thing I want you to do is head to your browser and type in warriorplus.com. You will be directed to their home page like this. Here at Warrior Plus, your profit is our business. The best-in-class sales, marketing and automation platform. It is a marketplace for digital business owners and online marketers. If you want to learn more about what they do on this website, you can click on this link, Learn More, here, and you will be taken to this page. As you can see here, they are a digital marketing platform that will help you market your products and services through affiliates links. They have standard platform and dedicated service points, with direct products to fit all the type of marketing you will need for your business. However, we are not here to market any product. No, we are here to make more money. Simple, and I will be showing you just how you will make money free of charge from this platform. Just know that you don't need any investment in this method. You will not spend any dime at all. All you will need to get started is your mobile phone, an internet connection, and boom, you are making money. Warrior Plus is a dependable platform that will let you earn money because they do business and partner with very big and known brands all over the world. Some of the big names they partner with includes a Member Pro, ARP Reach, a Weber, Constant Contact, Digital Access Pass, Drip, Facebook, GetResponse, Google, GoToWebinar, Infusionsoft, Jajib, MailChimp, OptimizePress, Product Dino, Slack, Waitlists, and many more. Now, enough of all the hyping of this website. Let's get started on how we will be making money on this website already. I will like you to sign up on Warrior Plus right away, as I will be guiding you on what to do through the video. Please, you need to watch to the end, and do not skip any part of this video, so that you will not miss any step of making this cool money. First, I will come here and click on Get Started here, or I can simply click on Free Sign Up here. The next thing is to type in my username, my password, my email address. Then I will click on this, notify me of special offers, so I will always be updated with the latest developments from this website. Then, I will click on Create Account. Now from Warrior Plus website, I will head to my mailbox and check for the confirmation email. And yes, this is the confirmation email here. It says here, verification required. Activate your Warrior Plus account. All I will need to do now is just to click on this link to activate my account. Yes, I am now on this page where I will need to log in and get started. I will need to type in my username and then my password here. Then, I will be taken to this page. Yes, I'm here now. Welcome to Warrior Plus. Thanks for creating your free Warrior Plus account. We are glad you have joined us. Now, there are 3 basic things you can do on Warrior Plus. For the purpose of making money on this website, I will go ahead and click on this second link here, as I will like to make money as an affiliate for other people's products. Yes, this is what we will be doing on this website to create wealth for ourselves. Please don't close this video and go away now. I know many people feel promoting affiliate link is hard. I need you to hear me out first. I have a very simple method to show you. Please keep watching. Now, I am on this page. This is where I will get to become an affiliate and earn lots of money. I know, you may still be thinking, oh, affiliates links again. How do I promote my affiliate links? I don't have any traffic, or even social media followers to promote my links. Don't worry yourself at all. All you will need to do is to keep watching this video to the end. I will show you all you will need to do to make money with your affiliate links easily, even with zero traffic and zero followers. Now, to get the links and start making money, you will need to go on this page here and click Find Offers to Products here. Yes, here are the affiliate offers you can apply and begin to earn money on this platform. Here, you will get to earn all these money from these affiliates marketers that you sign up and promote. You will have thousands of opportunities to make money from this platform. Yes, good chance to make money on this platform. As you can see here, this is just 1 to 60 of 9,317 pages. That is a lot of opportunities for you to make money on this platform. For example, if I want to sign up for this one, I will just click on Request here. I will be taken to this page. This is where I will get to sign up for this special affiliate market and earn commission from this platform. The caption here says, Convert YouTube channels into a WordPress website, monetized with ads and affiliate links. This is definitely a good product that will draw attention, especially here on YouTube. If I further click on this link, I will be taken to this page, where I will get to know what I need to do to get accepted and assigned a link that I will promote to make money. Now, in order to promote your affiliate links and make money, even when you don't have traffic or followers, I will like you to type in Hercules.com into your browser, and you will be taken to this page. Here, on their homepage, you will need to input your username and email address to gain access. After inputting your details, you will be on this page, where you will need to put in this code, showing on the screen here. Here, we are on the page, where we will use our affiliate link to make money. Now, Hercules have been around for almost 20 years, and they are trusted internet marketing source for thousands of marketers. They are specialists in email and web marketing. They will give you 100% real traffic of real-life people. They have powerful free advertising tools to help you build your business. And the good thing about them is that you will get to earn 50% commission as their affiliates. This is double earning for you. Again, you will get to join a network of like-minded business owners and increase opportunities. Now, I will click on Get Started here. I am now on their registration page. I will input my first name here, my last name here, and I will fill in this box. I will then type in my username, and I will put in my password here, and then type the same password here again. I will type in my subscription email here, and I will agree on the terms and conditions. Then, click on the reCAPTCHA and create account. Now, on this page, there are 3 packages to choose here. They are free, Gold, and Pro. I will definitely be selecting the free package, because the idea of this video is make money online free. I will click here and get started. This is where I will be using my affiliate links from Warrior Plus to make money on this website. All the different platforms to get free traffic from my affiliates links are arranged here. Prime Ads, The Zone, Solo Ad Specials, Hercule Blarb, Earn Credits, Earn Cash, and I will also get to earn more money from Hercules.com through my links. If you are getting value from this video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you have not done so already. Now, if I just click on this link, Earn Cash, I will be taken to this page. This is the Hercules affiliate program that will let me earn more money. I will paste my links here, and also get to see my affiliate page through the links here below. They will show my page to their traffic, and I will get to earn more money on this website. The second website I will like you to go and promote your affiliate links from WarriorPlus.com for traffic is ViralMailProfits.com, here, at Viral Mail Profits. They are fast, easy, free. They have direct feedback mailer that will give reward and leads for your affiliate links. To get started on this website, you will need to come up here and click on Register. The registration form will be opened for you. You will need to fill your first name, your last name, your email address, confirmation email, username, Password, confirmed password, security code, agree to terms and conditions, and then submit. And boom, you are registered to promote your link and earn more money. Ciao.